Qingdao Ejoy Farming Machinery Company Limited is a trusted provider of advanced animal husbandry, equipment, and comprehensive farm solutions. We specialize in offering a full range of automated farming systems, backed by turnkey project construction and own-and-stop purchasing services designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our commitment is to be a trustworthy partner. By carefully listening to our clients, understanding their needs, and responding to their suggestions, we ensure that our solutions are tailored to help them succeed. We integrate the latest global farming technologies to maximize efficiency and profitability for our clients. With years of continuous effort, Ejoy has built a highly professional technical team. This team not only tailors professional design solutions, but also offers comprehensive after-sales support, safeguarding customer needs with solid professional capabilities. Ejoy has established a strong international presence with distributors and farm projects in more than 20 countries, including Mongolia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, Denmark, and other countries in South America and Europe. Our reputation for quality, reliability, and exceptional service has earned us positive feedback from clients around the world. Looking ahead, we remain dedicated to our core principle, treating others as we would like to be treated. This guides our approach in offering complete, well-rounded, and practical solutions that include expert consultation, high-quality products, and ongoing support. We are committed to going the extra mile to ensure that every client's farm business thrives, and we take pride in being a partner they can rely on for long-term success.
This is Lydia from Qingdao Ejoy. We've been providing poultry cages and farm solutions for many years, with many large-scale projects across China and around the world. If you are interested in poultry equipment and looking to source from China, feel free to contact us. We are sure we can help.